Welcome. Today you're going to learn about how St. Thomas Heart and St. Thomas Health are using new technologies to provide high-quality, highly specialized healthcare services to more patients and families throughout the extensive St. Thomas service area. In short, we're providing greater care closer to home. Through a partnership with Cisco, a worldwide leader in technology, our patients now have access to a telehealth program that brings medical services closer to home, provides a real-time, complete healthcare visit, minimizes the time away from work, reduces travel time, costs, and stress, and offers access to providers who might otherwise be unavailable. St. Thomas Heart is one of the first cardiac practices in the country to provide this technology for its patients. Let's look at how a telehealth visit works with an actual patient. Charles and Ruth Sons are longtime Franklin County, Tennessee residents. Mr. Sons, who lives near St. Thomas Heart's Winchester Clinic, has been a patient of cardiologist Don Chomsky for years. When it's time for Mr. Sons to have a checkup, he or his wife schedules a visit with Dr. Chomsky, the same way they've done it for years.
It's been very good. We can see Chomsky very well, and he can see us. That's the main thing.
Well, it's just no different than being in an office. And him being here, I don't see any difference. I think it's going to be a great thing for the future of medicine to have this technology.
On the day of his visit, Mr. Sons arrives at the Winchester Clinic and is prepped for seeing the doctor by a medical assistant or nurse, the same way he's done for years. When it's time to see the doctor,
How are you, sir?
Dr. Chomsky joins the visit in Winchester from St. Thomas Heart in Nashville. He converses with Mr. Sons through high-definition video conferencing, which is sharper than 20/20 vision.
All right, well, why don't we take a little listen to you, okay?
Okay.
Dr. Chomsky instructs a medical assistant or nurse to place a digital stethoscope, exam camera, or other required instrument on or near the body part he needs to examine. And telehealth technology sends this sound or image directly to Dr. Chomsky, allowing him to make a complete diagnosis.
The image quality is fairly unbelievable. You really can't describe it. I think you just kind of have to see it. So you really feel like you're having a face-to-face interaction with the patient. In fact, in terms of the technical issues of the acoustics of listening to the heart and lungs, the equipment actually allows you to hear things that you really wouldn't hear with a traditional stethoscope because it's somewhat amplified. So if anything, I would say some of the things that we kind of listen for actually more easily heard through this system than with a typical interaction.
Dr. Chomsky provides healthcare instructions to the Sons and modifies any therapies, just as he's always done. Telehealth is located in or near the community where you live, cutting down on the challenges associated with traveling long distances for routine or follow-up healthcare visits. In addition, telehealth allows St. Thomas to provide specialist care for more hours and more days per week. In order to see you, your physician simply walks down the hall to his or her telehealth room in Nashville and joins your community's local St. Thomas Health facility. St. Thomas Heart and St. Thomas Health are committed to finding innovative ways to pair clinical skill with advanced technology to improve your patient experience and health care. By beginning the process of reducing travel times and costs for our patients through telehealth and other state-of-the-art technologies, we hope to demonstrate this commitment to you.